Cheater, you. It gets so deep.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bye, Camello!
He's having too much fun to give a crap.
Oh my god! Okay, my field boots are gonna be so ruined.
I know, right? We wore the wrong shoes.
Oops. Camello! Roxy's like, shallow! Ah!
Nice.
Oh my god. That is so refreshing though. Oh my god.
I just don't want to get my boots like ruined.
Hun, mine are waterlogged.
Can you get a picture of me doing the deep end?
I'm doing a video right now. Yeah! Aww.
It's so refreshing. Better than that, man. I'm not getting my face freaking sprayed wet.
That is so fun. Lucy can go swimming not in the deep end. Okay, where else are we going? Okay. Yeah, it does. It's just not very deep. Oh, it's deep over here! Mackenzie, are you okay? Go, sweetie, go! She came off!
And then I came off.
Roxy like climbed into the bush over there. It's so much deeper over there.
Yeah, I know. My horse is almost swimming there.
My horse was! Of course you do!
I need to wash my boots before I do anything.
Oh, I know, same. He's not gonna go back over there. I scared the crap out of Roxy. She's like, oh my god, I have no footing! That's kind of incredible how deep it gets, hey? Yeah, see, my horse went for that bush too. Come on, Camello! Aww.
I'm officially all wet.
You're really smart. We're still in our tack.
Oh. And I'm like, I'm all wet and I'm not cold no more.
No.
I get pretty good for a swim. Holy.
That's so awesome. Okay, now what?
I don't know. I just wanted to come here and see my swimming pool. I kind of want to go back and clean my boots before I ruin them.
Yeah, yeah.
We can go this way.
We can go that way to get back?
Cross the bridge.
Oh, okay. Cameron!